So you want to change voice speech in Capcut? So I have the solution for you. It's very simple. The first thing you have to do is import a video here or audio, and you have to drag to the timeline. Then press this thing in the timeline, this video, and go right here in the right corner. Go to audio, and then you have to press here in voice changer. So here you have a lot of options: echo, megaphone, high, low. So if I press high,
So you want to know how
the effect will be applied, and here you can change the pitch like this.
to download Capcut
As you can see, it changed a lot, and the timbre,
in 2024, where I have the solution for you.
and you can play with these options. You also can choose low like here,
So you want
and you can play too.
to know how to download Capcut in 2024?
Okay, so if this video was helpful for you, please subscribe, like, share, comments, and see you in the next video of Easy Way. Goodbye.